Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Control C is not working on your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. Now let me just open my Microsoft Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank document. Now let me just simply type a word. And I'm going to use the Control C. We all know that using the Control C or the use of Control C is to copy a selected word, text like that. Now I'm going to press Control C and I'm going to press Control V to paste it. But I didn't paste anything because obviously Control C is not working. So how can we fix this? It's very easy. Just simply click on the File tab on the ribbon, and here you will find More. Click on Options. Now in the Word Options window, you will find this list of options. Click on Customize ribbon, and here you will find here at the bottom Keyboard Shortcuts. Click on Customize. Now for the categories, simply choose the Home tab. For the commands, scroll down to the E section, E as in eagle, and look for Edit Copy, this one. Now, probably the reason why you are facing the issue that the Control C is not working because you have assigned a different keys for that, or you have accidentally assigned a different keys for that. So in order to fix this, let's remove the current key. Click on Remove. And now let's press a new shortcut key. So press Control C on keyboard. Then once done, simply click on Assign. And now we have to close this. Click on OK. And now let's click Control C. And let's see if we can paste something. Control V. And that's it. This is now working this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.